Good morning, kids. This is Grandma Freeman, and this morning I pulled everything out of my freezer because I was looking for something that was in the back. It was the oldest thing I have in my freezer at this time from the beginning of June. These are turkey meatballs that I made, and I'm planning to have spaghetti and meatballs for a dinner tonight or this afternoon. So I have, just to tell you what I have here, I have 5 chicken breasts, and I bought a package that had 5 in it, and I broke it down into 3 packages. And I have this turkey smoked sausage, and that's very good with certain types of things. And this is less sodium, I believe, and less fat. And then I have 3 pounds of ground beef, and I broke this down into 4 packages recently. And this is 80-20% fat, 80% lean and 20% fat ground beef. So, and then over here, my son bought these, and this is quite expensive. This is beef loin, New York strip steak, and so we're going to marinate that before we barbecue it. And this is closer to 2 pounds. It's, let's see, right there, 1.72 pounds. And this was, oh gosh, $14.49 a pound. So that's going to be probably this coming weekend. But I usually freeze my meat first before I cook it, and I tried to use it up. I think all of this together will last me at least 1 month. I kind of haven't figured it all out or what I'm going to do with it, but I have many options. So, but I wanted to put in my spaghetti, so I have spaghetti and meatballs tonight. And this was the oldest that I have frozen after it was cooked. Now, other things, because it's only me and sometimes my son that I'm cooking for. So what I'm going to do is, like, I'll cook, there's 1 large chicken breast in there, and then I have package 2 in each of the other 2 packages. So what I do when I cook it, I may use like my slow cooker and cook it for all morning, and then make a dish with it. And anything I have left over that has been cooked, I will freeze it for another meal or 2, and or maybe save some in the refrigerator overnight and have it for leftovers. So all of this is going to get me by, and I'll show you my freezer here. And what I have it pretty well stocked with vegetables, and my son's pizzas in there, and there's some ice cream. He bought that. And I have an extra loaf of bread in there and some other things in the back, bread products. And that one shelf that's empty is where most of it's going to go, and some of it's going to go on this block of ice. Now, if we have a power outage, I can put everything on that block of ice until I can maybe give some to my son and his wife to use. And then I'm stocked up on butter. And over here I don't usually show what I have, but I have plenty of eggs, and that one on the bottom I have to use up pretty soon. I think it's the July 27th. So there's just a few left in that one. I'll use that first. And a few things up there. I make powdered milk. And see, this is going to get me through for at least 2 weeks down here too. I have vegetables to make salads, and then on the bottom I have potatoes, and I have 3 pounds of viola onions and some 2 bulbs of garlic that it's going to last for quite a while. And this is not a big, I want to get a new refrigerator, but this one's still working pretty well. And then over here, I have my pantry, which is the closet, the kitchen closet. Up here, we have plenty of coffee. And then I have my baking goods up here and my powdered milk, some of it, and things that we use quite often in here. And down here, I have a lot of canned food. This goes back like very far back there. So I have canned goods, and I bought some soups recently on a quick sale offer. Then down here is just some things, extra things. And water. I stocked up on water in gallon jugs, and that's just tap water. And that's not really drinking water, but it's cooking water or whatever. And then I have my spices on this in this rack here. And then some sandwich bags and some garbage bags down here. And so this is there's some chicken and some corned beef in here and some beans and things like that, and some fruit, some canned fruit. So that's probably for the fall during the hurricane season down there. But I do have to use that milk up very soon, and there's another couple of things that I'm going to be using this year. And so, but I'm getting ready to put all this back, except I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for tonight. And so that's what I've been doing, is stocking up for the next month. And right now, this is a serious time with the war going on, and it's good to get stocked up. And I know that if our power goes out, I will cook as much as I can and use it for a week or so, but or until I can get the power back on. But some of it I can give to my son. So I don't think anything is going to go to waste, because I have that block of ice that I can put the rest of it on top of it. It's really not that much, but I'm going to get through for at least a month without worrying about going grocery shopping. Okay, kids. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.